Yeah, man. So today was very eventful. Hold on. I totally got arrested today. Here's my mugshot. Yay! It's pretty cool. I like it. It's kind of cute. Yeah. I was totally in jail from like 11 to 7, so almost my full shift at work. Yeah, wasn't that fun? So yeah, jail was terrible. I wouldn't suggest you go to jail. It's not the funnest thing ever. I had to pull my gauges out. Now I'm back to these stupid spikes. Ugh, I'm so pissed. But my timing's still in. Yeah, buddy. But yeah. So, yeah, it was a pretty eventful day. Well, yeah, comment, subscribe, message me. You know the drill, man.